Hey there, it's Mike from Albright Pressure Washing. Welcome back to the channel. Are you thinking about starting your own business? Let's cut through the noise. Launching your own venture is like riding the wildest roller coaster at the theme park. It's exhilarating, terrifying, and yeah, there will be moments when you're screaming your lungs out, sometimes in frustration, sometimes in pure adrenaline pump joy. Here's the deal. The path to creating something from scratch is messy. You'll face setbacks that'll make you want to throw in the towel, but guess what? It's in those intense moments, battling against doubt and challenge, where you'll discover your true strength. The opportunity is open to anyone brave enough to take the first step. You don't need a magic formula, just a relentless drive and the willingness to outwork everyone else in the room. So if you're ready to turn your dream into reality and are not afraid of a lot of hard work and a few bumps, mountains along the way, what are you waiting for? Make a plan, dive into the chaos, embrace the grind, and make something incredible. What's holding you back? Let's get to work.